Hello and welcome to today's episode, where we'll explore 5 proven ways to make money. My name is Shin Samuel, and I'll be your guide on this journey to financial success. Number 1. Freelancing. Tap into your skills and offer services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a strong profile, showcase your portfolio, and bid on projects that match your expertise. Number 2. Online surveys and gigs. Sign up with reputable websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Inbox Dollars. Complete online surveys, watch videos, or perform small tasks to earn rewards. Number 3. Selling physical products. Online utilize platforms like Amazon FBA, Etsy, or eBay to sell products. Research in-demand products, create a professional listing, and provide excellent customer service. Number 4. Creating and selling digital products. Share your knowledge and skills by creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or software. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Sellfy. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from reputable companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. In conclusion, these proven ways to make money require effort, patience, and persistence. Start with one method, learn from your experiences, and diversify your income streams. Thank you for joining me on this journey to financial success. Remember, your earning potential is limitless. Take action, stay committed, and prosper. Please like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification button for more amazing videos.